Okay, here we have this. It's already been pumped down twice and refilled with the inert gas twice to be able to turn on the hydrogen. If you don't do that, then the hydrogen, it won't let you turn on the hydrogen valve at all. That is lighter loads. So if you had hydrogen, we don't have hydrogen right now. But if you had hydrogen, it would be lit up right now. And then you can also do a hydrogen inert gas mix. And then the same thing. You have the valves open and the igniter lit. And then once you've done that, then you have to do a backfill flush, which will go through these when you're done. And then I turned on the valve here, but you should have gas flow here, the valve's open. And then it will start this, and it'll go through, it's like 2.5 minutes per section. And then you flush it out, get all the hydrogen out, so it's safe.